Wagwan YouTube, it's your boy Clickman, and we're back with another 90-day fiance video reaction. I think these videos are so funny, so I'm just doing all the ones that I see because I don't know, man. I just think these guys are all paid actors. They ain't good actors, but they're definitely getting paid for something because this shit is crazy. Guys, if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, comment down below. I appreciate all of that. I'll catch you guys right in the next one, man. Anything with this guy as the headliner, I guarantee you it will be fun.
Thinking about whether I'm gonna want to have sex with her or not. It's probably not a good idea.
Is that gonna stop you?
Stop fucked about to say. Stop fucking lying, bro. This guy maybe has had sex a handful. I think 5 would be so generous. But oh, you're probably not. Shut up. You're gonna do it.
She's not a healthy person. I think she needs to do a lot of workouts.
When I hear her husband say that stuff, it just makes me feel like maybe I'm not good enough.
Stop being lazy and go to do some workout.
Bro, that's not good, bro. Like, she's in the desert. She probably doesn't even drink a lot of water. Like, this man could have almost killed her out there. That's homicide out there, man. She can't do that. She doesn't go to the gym. She probably isn't fit or healthy or anything like that. You can't be doing that, brother. Oh no.
Still lazy. Oh my gosh, lazy.
I said lazy like he has all that weight on him.
But it's not like, just like, for example, 55%.
55%. Yo, what is he talking about? Then don't talk to her. You know you want your paper. Shut up.
Where are you going?
You better be 100.
Bring me my red.
Can I have a key?
Yes, you can have a key.
Oh shit.
What is the problem? I am coming back.
My
And
guy's
I
stressed.
feel amazing, fantastic. I feel so happiness.
Got you.
Lord Jesus, please no.
Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it.
Are you allowed to do that?
I have a lengthy criminal record. I've been in jail, I've been in prison.
Yo, you guys have not watched this series with what's his name? Paul, and I don't remember her name. You got to watch it. The man was in that scene. The man was like, "Oh, man, after he traveled all the way to Brazil, up in the boonies, the man's like, yo, honestly, I'm a criminal. I don't deserve you." The man started a fire in his house, talking about he has a lengthy criminal record.
I was accused of burning my own house. And then a few years ago, I was in a very terrible relationship. She took out a mercy protector order on me. I'm sorry.
911, what's your emergency?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry.
I started running away. The funny part was he can't even run.
Understand the ways that men work in their brains.
Okay.
If you think of the brain of the man, there is boxes in his brain. The woman, when there's something small, it tends to get really big.
Do you see how that's incredibly offensive?
Yes, I do. That's why I said it.
Women, you're very emotional.
Saying it to a room full of women. Smart.
So, have you thought about asking my dad for a job?
Huh?
No, I'm not gonna ask him.
So you're not gonna ask him?
It's stupid, Rip.
Your attitude is stupid.
Forget about
It's
it.
not that hard.
Okay, bye.
Ask him for a
I
job.
don't want to ask for him for a job.
Because if you're pregnant,
No,
I'm over
gonna
here
solve
stressed out and
I'm
pregnant.
gonna solve it.
Don't terrorize me with your pregnancy.
Clean my ass. My whole family animal is so clean.
Take this, huh?
I can't believe the dad had to subject himself to seeing this guy. Ew.
Wait a minute.
Oh my God.
Your
first bowl of American cereal.
Oh, okay. Let's try. I can feel a lot of sugar.
We love sugar.
I heard about that.
That
This
sounds
would
like
be
a-
your treat meal.
My cheat meal.
Yeah, but it is not exactly healthy.
Cook
Are your
for
mom
me,
eating
right?
this too?
No, I don't eat that.
Okay, good. I can see.
Oh my god.
I wanted to stay friends.
Yeah, I don't want to be friends. I'm sorry. I think we're gonna walk away completely.
You put weight on.
Wonderful. Enjoy your life.
Oh my
I will,
god.
now you're not in it.
That is so funny.
O Paul tá se esforçando muito pra me fazer feliz. Tá procurando casa, tá...
Oh.
Essa é a chance dele mostrar que pode cuidar de nós.
Ah, the ghetto!
Whoa.
The ghetto!
I love sex. I like lust. I like the energy, the fire, the passion. I want to have sex 4 or 5 times a day.
Oh, hell no!
3 would be great, but Vanessa doesn't hold the same type of importance. When we do it, she's just like, okay, let's do it.
3 hours for fucking sex is ridiculous. Like, come on, let's go.
I mean, that is kind of ridiculous. 3 hours?
I kept telling you on the phone my dad can't come till January.
Babe, you know that.
No, I don't. How was I supposed to know that? I don't get it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Like, what the I don't.
Yeah, I said, yeah.
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh my god.
Nigga, grab the wheel, fam.
Get it. I'm not from here. I don't know.
Okay.
I need you to transfer me the $3,000 today to prove that you want me to be here and to prove that you're going to step up.
What? Nah, I'm out. Why are you crying, brother?
Get your and get out my room.
Oh shit.
What are you doing here, Michael? That's not gonna work this time.
Oh my God, what is that?
No, Michael. There's your cake, Michael.
Oh. She get hit with that shit back. I'll tell you that right now.
The rice
Yup.
is done. We're almost ready. We're almost ready.
Me. And you're drunk. Oh my God, I'm scared of you.
Whoa.
A low-class drunk man.
Whoa. She's always calling low class. Like, what is this low class stuff? Like, I don't understand.
And who was your ex-wife? She probably also this class.
What makes you better than anyone else? You say everyone's low class and this and this. What makes you better? Tell me. You. What makes you better than anyone?
It's
Like,
sad,
honestly.
but I want to be honest with you because I like you. He told me to say hi to my roommate and that she's really pretty.
Huh?
Yeah, that's
Wow.
true. That happened.
And my roommate, by the way, she's 26.
I still want to be with him.
Ed, are
Can't
you
help 'em
willing
all.
to give your relationship with Liz another try?
I mean, I was the one that broke up with you like 7 times. You never broke up with me. You never stopped trying.
That's
I was
kind of
always
shocking.
the one that kicked you out.
So, Liz,
Alright, bro,
would
you
you
get
get back
answer the
together
question.
with Ed?
I've missed Ed a lot this last month.
That's a good mask. Good mask. She missed his money. That's what she
I
missed.
still love him.
Ed, yes or no? You want to give it another shot or no?
I don't know. I can't answer that right now.
Can you imagine getting turned down by that beat ass nigga?
I need a hand.
Yeah, well, nothing I can do now. I'm busy.
Okay, no. Come here for a second.
No, I can't. I'm busy mopping.
Do the hard things, Ron.
Like what? Change diaper. No, that's your job.
Oh.
You have a child. You get literally no choice.
I do have a choice because I have a wife.
Oh shit.
Don't I?